Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to make a countdown animation on Canva application. So the way to do that, first open your Canva, then insert a text onto your blank page. So because I gave you a tutorial of countdown, I'm going to insert a number. So from 1 2 3 4 5, it's like that. Now the next steps, change the font onto a bold font. In this tutorial I'm using this Rig Solid Bold Halftone, this one. Then change all, and now after finish, increase the size of the number like this. Increase it, make it much more big, just like this. And now when you're done doing it, now you can change the background color. For me, I would like to change it onto this blue color. Okay, after finish, you need to duplicate the first page and then go to the second page and move the number onto the second clip like this, and then minimize it, and then duplicate the second page, and on the third page move it onto the next number and duplicate the third page and move it onto the next number again. Do that until you finish onto the end of the text, just like that. And now the next part, you can add a transition onto this each clip and use this match and move transition. Now increase the duration of it and check the apply between all pages. When you're done, this is the result that you will get. As you can see, the clip is moving one by one onto each number. And if you want to add an ending clip, you can duplicate the last clip of it like this and move the 5 onto the first number, this one, and check it. Don't forget to add a transition, match and move, and increase the duration like that. When you're done, and this is the result that you will get. And that's the way to create this animation on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.